Good day everyone. I want to talk to you about umbrellas. People first used umbrellas about 4,000 years ago in Mesopotamia. At that time, umbrellas were used to protect people from the hot sun, not from rain. The word umbrella comes from a Latin word meaning shadow. In ancient Egypt, umbrellas were very important and had a holy meaning. People believed God protected the world like an umbrella, so they carried it above their heads as a sign of respect. In Europe, umbrellas became popular in the 17th century. People started to oil umbrellas so they could use them in the rain. Later, men also began to use umbrellas. Today, umbrellas are mostly used on rainy days and they are made in many colors, designs, and sizes. The end, and thank you for your attention.